curious friends! Are you ready to explore the colors of the rainbow and taste it too? Yes, a rainbow made of fruits! Each color is not just pretty, but super yummy too! Let's sing and dance along with the Fruit Rainbow song!
You like to eat the rainbow, oh so sweet, with fruits of every color, a delicious treat. Let's sing and dance, move our feet, in the fruit rainbow, where flavors deliciously meet. Red like a shiny apple ready to bite, orange, a round orange, juicy and bright. Yellow, a banana, a sweet delight. Green like a pear, crunchy and light. Fruit rainbow shining bright. Red, orange, yellow, green just right. Blue, indigo, violet in the light. A fruit rainbow, what a sight. Blue like blueberry, small and round. Indigo, grapes in a cluster they're found. Violet, a plum so soft and sweet. A rainbow of fruits, a colorful treat. Fruit rainbow shining bright. Red, orange, yellow, green just right. Blue, indigo, violet in the light. A fruit rainbow, what a sight. Fruit rainbow shining bright. Red, orange, yellow, green just right. Blue, indigo, violet in the light. A fruit rainbow, what a sight.
Let's keep exploring and learning together! Until next time, stay curious, kids!